I spend time, I look at, TikTok and Instagram, but I've kept feeling like, my son was getting on, he was like, Mom, you don't post enough. You should do this, you should do that. And I said, I just feel that there's a different way. Um, I don't know what it is. This was, a little while ago, and I was like, I really don't know what it is. I said, but it just has to be something different. I'm just not the I have tons of content. I video a lot of all my events. I may not just post them all. So I have the content there, there's photos, but for me to sit on social media for hours, I'm not going to do
Yeah,
that. I'm not going to sit on
yeah.
there for hours.
YouTube
And I
is
just didn't feel there's a need.
YouTube is where grown folks go to communicate, where you go to have a conversation.
Absolutely.
You don't need to be posting every 5 minutes. You just make one video where you're having a conversation and talking and cooking and sharing whatever knowledge you want to share about the recipe that you're preparing, as well as life in general or whatever it is you want to talk about. You have that
Yes.
conversation in over the course of you preparing that dish, and then you put it out there and you communicate with other grown people who want to watch something that's longer than 15 seconds long. And yeah, that's those other platforms aren't working for you because that's not how grown people communicate. You just,
Yes.
YouTube is better for. I think you're gonna. I think you're gonna find yourself right at home once you start making these videos and go, yeah, this was for me. This is what I'm
Yes.
supposed to be doing.
And I love YouTube. I'm always on YouTube, watching something or someone,
Yep.
and so it's definitely a different platform.
Don't
And
get
like
paid
you
to
say,
watch
you can
though.
key right in. Yeah, exactly. Exactly.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm definitely excited. To start this journey, and I just really feel it's gonna work.